What is up, y'all? Boy, Sean needs to come back, but what is up, y'all? It is 8:16 a.m. right now. My mom about to leave. I gotta go drop her at the airport. My Uber is downstairs already. She's probably watching me do this intro right now. Be like, this man. But yeah, I'm about to drop my mom off, man. Like, it's so sad. I don't know. I couldn't even prank her this morning because I miss her already. But that's crazy, though. But we're gonna see again. I got class. I hope I don't get to class late. I got class at 9. I'm gonna get to class late though. I know that already. And let's see how the day goes. But y'all just ride with me though. Let's come with me. Let's see how the day goes.
20 minutes later.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready for your flight? You excited?
Very much. Ready for my flight.
You ready for Nigeria?
Yeah.
You tired of me already?
No. You know your brother needs my attention too. I really need my attention too.
I'm this not that important. I'm the only important son.
British Airways, right?
Yeah, British Airways. American Airlines, most likely. Yeah. I'm the only important son.
Yeah.
I am?
You are the youngest.
Hey, you all heard that. I'm the only important son. Tell him again. I'm the only important son, right?
Yeah. You are all important to me.
It has to be just one person. And it's me. But yo, my mom finna leave, man. Crazy.
You're all important to me.
Crazy. Wow. What are you gonna do when you first get to Nigeria? What's the first thing you do when you get back to Nigeria? Don't say sleep, because sleep is not part of it.
I'm going to pray first.
You literally made it worse. When I say don't say sleep, because it's something you obviously do every day, right? And pray, something I guess you do every time already. So something else, something more interesting.
Maybe look at the house. They should check the generator.
Nigerian generator, man. That's crazy, man. Child. Child. We need to move out of that life, man. American Airways. That's your flight right there.
How do you know?
Because it says American Airways on it.
Don't forget the 2 tickets for the film.
I know, I have it. Who wants to go to City Walk with me to go see a movie? Talking to my people in Orlando.
So what?
So I'm talking to my people in Orlando.
You have films in Orlando?
No, like I said, who wants to follow me to go see a movie in Orlando? I'm missing class already though, by the way. It's past 9 and my class started at 9. It's so good.
David?
Why does that car look weird? Oh, that's like cookies on the back. We're at the airport right now. I feel like crying already.
Don't. I'm missing my boy. My baby. My overgrown baby. I'm missing you too.
You just call it overgrown baby? I'm still the only important child though.
British Airways, right?
Yeah, British Airways, I guess. Yeah. I'm still the only important child.
Where? Can we stand like, can we come down like this?
Yeah. What is up, y'all? We're at the airport right now. My mom is done doing her baggage drop. She doesn't look happy. You not ready to go? You don't want to go?
No, I'm ready to go.
I don't want you to go. I'm late for class, but I don't mind. I'm still about to go to class. I know we usually have break at 11. So when it's time for my break, I'm gonna just join the second session of class, and I'm gonna just get 2 hours attendance. But that's not bad. I missed, like, I haven't missed any attendance after I missed the other day. But anyways, I miss mommy already, man. What's going on? Why are you leaving? Huh? She can't take this shit. Is that good? Let me take a picture? Alright, 1 second, I'm about to take a picture real quick. The thumbnail. It's gonna be the thumbnail. Don't go, Mom, please don't go. Don't go. That's not the way to TSA. Alright, yeah. I see it. I gotta call an Uber and go to class. That sucks. I'm gonna be in. That's not the bathroom. In the front. That sucks. Bossy on you. What is up, y'all? So I'm in school right now. My mom left already. You already seen that. We on break right now. I got here like, I don't know. I got here about 10:30, I think. But it is what it is, man. Probably lost 2 hours or something. But we out here, man. About to get done with this homework real quick. And you guys probably gonna see me next at home.
The next.
What is up, y'all? I'm about to link up with my boy. Now, you know, collaborate. That's what they say YouTubers to do. Tell you the YouTubers to do. So I'm about to do that. We're about to probably shoot a skit or something. Just do a little something. You know how it is, man. What's your boy King Game? Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Follow my boy Sean Lee on the camera right now. And I sound sick. Y'all sound sick?
You did. If you didn't say nothing, you would nobody would notice, bro.
Well, yeah, that's about it though. But we out. Yeah, we about to do something. We're probably gonna freestyle tonight. Do some little XXL freestyle. You know, do some freestyle shit. Teach this niggas how to stomp. But let's see how it goes. I'll see you on a little bit, man. You ever say?
You rapping in it?
Mm-hmm.
Let me hear some.
Gang, moving silent.
Yeah.
Money coming in, I don't talk shit.
Yeah.
Niggas hating on the kid cause I ball quick. Get the money, get the niggas, and I'm off quick. Hey, I came through with no white Benz. They ain't see me leave cause I left black Benz. Hey, my niggas moving like the next ones. I'm wearing Williams still hey, I'm like 50 when I move through. Niggas hating on the kid, I post the pictures through. Hey, the niggas hating that the nigga did it. Young kid from Nigeria chasing dreams. Y'all, seems like I've been so miserable since my mom left. I don't know what to do anymore. But I decided to make songs. I decided to make a song. We're gonna do a cover to Chief Keef, Kills. I don't know if you guys ever heard this beat. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. And I guess that's gonna be the vlog. But let's see how it go though. My friend, someone about to pull up. Probably gonna make more music. But let's see. This how I make my music though. Y'all just ride with me. I'm sorry I'm miserable right now that my mom is gone. But I'ma still make this shit entertaining. I didn't say shit. I said shit. Nah, I said shit. Anyways, what we're finna do? Record. But yeah, I record on Cubase. Finna get this shit real quick. Hey, gang. Hey, been through a lot, I seen a lot, trying to catch a nigga up in the spot. Now they hating that nigga on top. You gon' get your money, fuck what you thought. Your bitch is high, my bitch is high. Only difference is the nigga not high. You been talking, I been walking the line. Now you hating that your.
A few moments later.
After that, I like to mix myself. So, I don't know, it sounds real right now, but let's see how it turns. Good look, style. I'll put you my G. Subscribe to my channel. Appreciate it. What's good with you?
That's how you bring the new year?
No, this live, I don't need a live actually. I'm just shooting this
I
shit.
really like it.
Like what? You camera shy?
No, I'm not.
Yes, you is. You camera shy.
Okay, but I'm trying to think like, you know,
You know what?
what's really good? Like, what's new? I don't know. I've got my job.
You got a job now?
I mean, I've been had a job, but they thought I quit on them, so they kind of fake quit me. Like they thought I quit on them when I went to
What is
Chicago.
going on with America?
Right? Like it was like it
It's
was
fake quitting each other now?
Like fake thinking I quit. That was like, so y'all low key fake fired me. Is that what you're trying to say? So then I came back and was like, because I ain't had a schedule in like 2 months because I just come when I want to. But now I'm on a schedule. Drip Mag is going decently, honestly.
What's really good in the A?
Yeah.
What's really good in the A? What's good, Sean Lee Johnson? Hey, damn, you blurry as f. Hey, what's really good in the A?
Y'all flex a lot. Y'all lie a lot. I don't give a fuck. What you got? I can't do it. Run on my side. Nigga can't do it. Flipping no rocks. Flipping no O's. Man, nigga hop in the hot box. Flipping the lot.
Quit playing with me.
Oh, this is hitting out here.
Does it look like I hit him? Or does
Yo, she
What is
hit the out of me.
Let's get a look at your pinky
What
ring.
pinky
real
ring?
quick.
This
What
hit
does
me
pinky
too.
rings really say,
We're
bro?
supposed to be
When
making
somebody
deals.
got a pinky ring like this on, beware, they might
Get money and this nigga.
They might
God damn it, we the gang season. Why they gotta be a bitch though? For why they gotta be a bitch? Why they gotta be a
You're
bitch?
smacking women. Okay, you're smacking women.
I don't smack
and you're
women.
smacking girls.
Oh my ex.
Even worse.
I'm right here. The camera is facing the computer. You gotta face the camera right here.
You see this right here?
She saw. Let me hold the camera. Let me just hold it. But she. Ow!
I'm not. Don't. I got a reputation. Okay. I got
Of hitting. She literally just said, I'm a man bitter. Did she just say, I'm a man bitter, bro? She literally said, I'm a man bitter. I hit you where? What you talking about? I hit you where?
You hear me right here.
Come on, we got
Man, Sean, let's record this song and leave this man bitter alone, man. She out here.
It's gonna be funny when I cut a lock on his
what?
head.
When you do what?
She said she gonna cut my locks.
Oh, no.
Why her and Sean been tripping, bro? Nah, you tripping. You say you gonna cut my locks. Don't go, don't go. She mad already. Why you mad? Nah, get the f on, nigga. Give a fuck up.
This nigga here.
What's wrong with you?
I don't know, bro. I'm just trying to record.
First of all, y'all on straight BS.
Straight
Number
what?
2, do your homework. Number 3,
You know, I can bet she hasn't done her homework doing Friday. Open your FSO, let's see. You done your homework yet?
did you do your homework?
Hell yeah.
Don't worry about me.
But we're gonna get back to this music though.
Eventually.
I'm disrespecting.
You see, I ain't getting no shots of you rapping. Why you don't touch my camera, bro? Don't hit me. What the fuck is wrong with it? This man be in some order shit. But yo, this is what we got so far though.
Phone that, bro. Why you always trying to steal my stuff?
That man is in some order shit, y'all. I'm about to end this vlog right now, man. That's about it. I've been miserable since my mom left. But I promise you from tomorrow more content. But for now, this is how I make music, bro.
Been through a lot, I seen a lot. Tryna catch a nigga up in the spot. Now they say that nigga on top. Go get your motherfucking style. Your bitch is high, my bitch is high. One of the difference is a nigga not high.
Drip Mag.
Walking a lot. Now you asking why your bitch in my spot. Been through a lot, I seen a lot. Tryna catch a nigga up in the spot. Now they say that nigga on top. You go get your motherfucking style. Your bitch is high, my bitch is high. One of the difference is a nigga not high. You ain't talking right, but walking a lot. Now you asking why your bitch in my spot. Your pussy lot, don't really give a fuck about what she got.
This Sean right here.
Talking about sleeping and
Sean out here making music now.
real niggas only, keep it on lock, swerving the ops. Bad bitch like Goldilocks, in the coupe with the roof missing. I'm hard racing like B&B Rock. Moving steady, straight, paper chasing, no drag racing, no pit stop. Basic shit like a gibbet.
Tell him.
All in the mouth like a dentist.
Ooh.
I'm your town like a menace.
Hey.
You be a bitch up.
Whoa.
Bring it back when I finish.
Hey, hey, we do a lot. I said a lot. Hey, but that's it though. That's how I make my music. I record my shit. I mix my myself. I do everything myself.
You're
like Sean,
versatile.
Unlike Sean Lee Jackson.
Versatile.
We're versatile out here though. But that's the vlog for today, man. Y'all make sure. Oh, Sean about to hold the camera. But y'all make sure to hit that subscribe button, man. Up, man. Why you going like, oh, my subscribe should be going up though. Please been subscribing my. I guess we're starting to pump. I got like 50-something subscribers now.
What'd she say?
Well, she's not subscribed though. That's how you know. That's how you know real friends.
Okay, you right.
She's not subscribed to my shit though. Nah, back here, don't show her.
I did.
She ain't subscribed to my shit though. That's how you know legit haters, bro. They know you're working hard, but they ain't out here to support. They don't give a f about you. Hey, hey,
Look at my
eyes. That's it for today. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Hit that subscribe button. That subscribe button up. Hit that like button. Do everything right to my channel.
Look. Watch.
Hey, do exactly what she's doing right now.
Subscribe.
You see that?
Be smart.
And turn my post notifications on too. Be smart. So you can laugh every goddamn day.
Where's post notifications?
I don't know how to turn on. Oh, right here, the bell. Gang. Now she's a gang member. Legit gang member. She was just a fake friend before. Now she's a gang member.
I was a fake friend. I think he was talking about me on Snapchat or something.
What was I talking about?
He was like, I know when people are real, when they fake.
Oh, you think, you know that important? I ain't going to waste my, nah, you know, how am I going to talk about chance? No, you know that important.
What you say?
I said you know that important. I'm just joking. Tell them to subscribe.
Really sweet. Subscribe.
She is.
You need to subscribe.
Subscribe. And y'all go follow Drip Mag. Y'all go follow Drip Mag.
Follow Drip Mag if you know.
I'm about to put a finger right here. Show them the fingers again. I'm trying to put a ring right here. Which one is the hand? Which one is the middle finger? I'm trying to put a finger right here.
This one?
Right here.
Or you mean this one?
Oh, you think you got jokes, huh? Oh. You got jokes. Man, y'all go have a good day, man.
I think I drank too much.
I think I like that. I think I drink too much. 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 Will you roll me a blunt so I can't cool off?